Your computer can run faster, and the good news is that you don't need to install anything. Everything you need is already built into Windows, just a few simple tweaks can significantly speed up your computer. In Windows 10 or 11, right-click the taskbar, and select Task Manager. A window will open showing a list of all running programs and their status. In Windows 10, go to the Processes tab. This displays all programs that start with the system. For example, I just turned on my computer and Steam is already taking up almost half a gigabyte of memory. Discord is taking up over 300 megabytes. Telegram is using another several hundred megabytes, and most likely, you have several of these applications, and all of this is running in the background, even when you're not using it. So, in Windows 10, go to the Startup tab, and in Windows 11, click the tachometer-like icon on the left. To disable unnecessary programs, simply right-click them, and select Disable. This is completely safe, the programs aren't deleted, Windows simply stops them from starting automatically, without taking up any computer resources. So, if you're unsure, you can disable some programs, and once you figure out what works after a reboot and what doesn't, you can always go back and change them. After making changes, it's a good idea to restart your computer. Of course, you'll immediately notice that these processes aren't running, and your computer will become slightly faster. The next step is cleaning up temporary files. Press the Win plus R keys simultaneously. In the window that opens, enter this command. Select the C drive and click OK. The program will scan everything Windows downloads and installs there. In the window that opens, the system will show you how many temporary files can be safely deleted. This includes the cache, old updates, and service files that are no longer needed, so you can review them and delete them all. If you want to go further and perform a more thorough cleaning, you can press these keys on your keyboard again. Click OK. OK. In the window that opens, click Clean up System Files. Select Drive C, click OK, and the program will clean Drive C. The program window will open again, and now we can continue cleaning Drive C. Don't worry, these are essentially copies of all installed updates from Windows Update, and it's perfectly safe to delete them. Note that if you recently upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11, you may not need to delete these files, as Windows May 11th require a rollback to Windows 10 if problems arise. So, if you're not 100% sure, you can simply skip this step. Again, while it doesn't make a huge difference, all these steps combined will significantly improve the situation, reduce disk clutter, and speed up your system. OK. Step 3. Power Plan. Your computer is running slower simply because power saving mode is enabled. To check this, click Search on the taskbar, search for an open control panel. Open Power Options. Balanced is usually the default setting, but for optimal performance, you can change it to high performance. This means it will use slightly more power but will provide much better computer performance. If the plan you want isn't listed, that's normal. In Windows 11, many laptops and modern computers hide the classic power plans, but you can access and add them via the command prompt. Right-click Start and select Terminal Administrator. For convenience, I've saved 2 commands in a document so you can simply copy and paste the command into the command prompt. You can find these commands in the video description and also save them in the document. To enable high performance, you can enter the first command. I already have this setting enabled. To activate the hidden maximum performance mode, you can enter the second command. Press Enter. Now you need to go back and reopen the Power Options window. After that, the new plan will appear in Control Panel. So, this is one setting I would definitely change, and it will give you a pretty significant performance boost. Another common cause of slowdowns is malware, which, even if invisible, can run in the background and consume resources. You'd be surprised how many computers are infected with malware. The easiest way to check is to open your antivirus program and simply run a scan. I use Microsoft Defender on this computer, and I find it's quite sufficient if, in addition to the regular background scan, I periodically run 3 different scan levels. Quick Scan is a daily, preventative mode. It only checks startup and critical system folders. A full scan is necessary if your computer starts to slow down or you suspect an infection. Offline Scan is the deepest level of cleaning. When you run this mode, your computer will reboot and run a scan before the operating system loads. This scan helps find and remove advanced threats, such as rootkits, that can hide while Windows is running. Another simple thing that many people ignore is Windows updates. Microsoft regularly releases patches and performance updates that can significantly speed up your system, so you should definitely make sure your Windows updates are always up to date. Also, remember to reboot your computer periodically. If your system has been running for weeks without rebooting, this may seem pretty obvious to you, but it can actually make a huge difference sometimes. During this time, processes and errors accumulate that can slow things down, so a simple reboot can significantly speed up your computer. Now for the setting that gives the fastest visible effect. Right-click the Start button. Select System. Scroll down and open Advanced System Settings. Settings tab. By default, dozens of animations and visual effects are enabled here, and this is usually how everything works right after installing a new Windows. Control animations, window animations, taskbar animations, enabling peak, fade, or slide modes, tooltips with fading or sliding effects, and so on. They make the interface prettier, but they put a lot of strain on the system. If you select Adjust for best performance, all unnecessary effects will be disabled, and as you can see, the appearance will become too simple and a bit unsightly. Therefore, it's better to choose Custom Mode and leave only the necessary settings. I'll leave Enable Peak enabled. This setting helps me quickly find and open the window I need on top of all others. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Without this feature, open folders will display simple icons, making it difficult to find the item you need. I enable this setting. Apply. I also recommend enabling another setting that improves visual comfort, as without it, the interface looks choppy and cheap. Show window contents while dragging. It became much better this way. Look at the letters and files, they look a little rough and a little hard to read. Now, with the last setting, we'll improve the screen fonts. Smooth edges of screen fonts. Yes, it's much easier to read now. After making these changes, everything I click appears instantly, so I leave these 4 settings enabled and disable all the others. To improve font appearance without using additional resources, you can also do the following. Type Clear Type in the search box on the taskbar. In the window that opens, launch Adjust Clear Type Text. Here, just like at the optometrist's office, you can choose the font style you like best. I click Finish, and can say I'm pleased with the result. You can check on your computers how much sharper the font has become, and I hope you like it as well. You may need to open and close the Advanced System Preferences several times, so for quick access, you can create a shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on the desktop, and select Create Shortcut. Enter this command. Next. I'll keep this name for the shortcut. Finish, and now opening these settings is easier. Applying all the settings at once can significantly speed up your computer after your next reboot. Try these steps and let us know in the comments which setting helped you the most. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and have a nice day.